See this wand right here? That's what makes it a self-cleaning slot divider. The bluish purple tint, that's UVC light. A microbiology professor with UNLV is getting ready to test it out and see what kind of organisms it can kill.
Based on the literature, should get about 99.5%, something like that, for every minute that wand is going over a spot of the plexiglass.
Dr. Biran Hedlund told me this self-cleaning slot divider should be very effective at killing germs, bacteria, and viruses. But that's what he and a team of scientists at UNLV are going to find out.
What we're going to do is spray aerosols of different microorganisms onto the surfaces. So for this product, we'd be spraying it onto the plexiglass, and then either with or without UV treatment, so which would stimulate their product versus just a standard plexiglass product.
Once the trials start, Dr. Hedlund told me they'll know within about a week how it's performing with standard bacteria, like E. coli. Then they'll test for viruses like Sars CoV-2. Dr. Hedlund told me those viruses can survive on a surface like plexiglass for a few days, and other bacteria can survive even longer.
In the dark of a casino, maybe thousands of years.
That's why Daryl Rosenblatt with Smith Rosen Gaming says their product is more realistic for casinos.
You can't clean plastic with acetone, alcohol. You can't use any abrasive solvent. So you're going to have people running around with soap and water all day long.
The UVC wand only cleans the divider. The buttons on the machine still need to be disinfected.
Wipe it down, use a UV wand.
Smith Rosen Gaming is donating about $250,000 to UNLV to do these experiments.
Those experiments are objective.
The inquiries, I think, at this point are beyond anything that we really anticipated.
Rosenblatt and his wife, Jamie Klingler, told me Smith Rosen Gaming has thousands of pre-orders.
I'm immunocompromised, so I am the first one to know how serious this can be. We really want to keep, our employees safe that are working at the casinos, because they're coming home, to our neighborhoods. They're going shopping at our local grocery stores.
Rosenblatt told me you can expect to see this in local casinos within the next month.